Welcome. In this video I'm going to be taking a look at this Etre Jeune USB-C to magnetic L-tip charging cable for MacBook. So if you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So this is a cable to connect a legacy MacBook that uses the MagSafe charger to USB Type-C. See if I can get this open. I think that's sealed, so here we go. It says PD for 100 watt. So here's the connector. Here's USB Type-C. So I'll be connecting this up to my mid-2012 MacBook Pro. This cable is around 5.5 feet long, has a braided nylon sheath on it, so it seems very sturdy. I'll be connecting this up to a Unitech gallium nitride USB Type-C PD charger, and this was provided to me for a previous video. So I'll plug this in here, and this is a 100 watt max charger, and I'll plug that into the side of the computer. Okay, so that's in there, and this is charging now. So we can see this is charging. So according to my power meter, it's currently drawing around 70 watts. So a cable like this is useful for modernizing the charging on a legacy MacBook Pro. So this is my old cable that I use. It's really worn out. I put shrink wrap on here. I know I'm not the only one with a situation like this. These things get worn out really bad. With this cable, I can use a USB Type-C charger, which is really the standard now to charge this MacBook. Now another big advantage of this is that it uses PD. So if I want, I can use a portable power station that supports PD charging. So I can plug in here to the PD port, and this power station was provided to me by Togo Power previously. And now this is charging. So now this makes for a very efficient charging setup. So this is ramping up. I'll let that ramp up for a minute. So this is currently bouncing around, say 45 to 48 watts. Now if I plug in this larger charger here, I'll let this ramp up. Using this, you have to go through the inverter of one of these portable power stations, and that's going to be the same with any portable power station, and there are going to be efficiency losses there. So it's most ideal to use the built-in PD port on it. So before we were around 40 watts, now we're up to 56, 62, 65, 69. So we'll see where that settles, 71. And I will say this is a very efficient charger too, but there's no getting around the inverter loss. So that's the Etre Jeune USB-C to magnetic L-tip charging cable. Now I showed using this with a power brick or portable power station. There are actually cars now that will have USB Type-C charging ports or maybe even wall outlets, and that can make it really convenient for charging. Along with that, if you do use a charger like this, you have those multiple ports on there, so you can actually charge multiple devices with the one power adapter, which you can't do with the regular Apple charger. So that's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.